Hey friends, Jacob here. These are the stainless steel three-piece set with a mirror finish, so you can literally see me if I angle it correctly. It's literally a beautiful stainless steel set. It does have the smooth edges as well, so as you can see here, really smooth edges. It does have a 9-inch pan, a 12-inch pan, and it even comes with a 16-inch stainless steel pan. So this set is awesome for all different sized baked goods that you're considering. This is from Baker's Signature. To give you some size context, this is a normal conventional oven, and that's the 16-inch. This is the 12-inch, and this one is the 9-inch pan. So they look really great stacked up together as well, really efficient for whenever we're actually talking about storage, but they're not massive, baking sheets, so don't expect it to take up like the entire width of the oven, especially the 9-inch one. This one is for much smaller baked treats and whatnot. But we're going to be actually testing these out, doing some baked goods and some different spreads. Of course, I always put down some parchment paper to make sure that it keeps everything clean, but I'm really curious to see how clean these actually stay. But otherwise, I am really happy with these, stainless steel pans from Baker's Signature. The finish on them is absolutely beautiful, and I'm happy to get away from the non-stick Teflon style sheets and back to stainless steel and cast iron just like this. So definitely a great one. It's worth checking out. Baker's Signature did send this to me so that I could give my honest opinion, and I think that this is a awesome set. And it looks like you can fit the 16-inch pan and the 12-inch pan in one oven. So I have a double top and bottom oven, and I can fit this side by side here, and I still got some wiggle room too. So you could set both of those in there in one oven tray, and they both sit next to each other. And so that's really nice. We could do some cookies on one side, some bread on the other side, something like that. But that's nice that we're able to basically fit both of these trays in there. And it also gives you an honest look at the actual size of these trays as well. So hopefully this was helpful for you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and happy baking. I'll see you guys